At Lowe's, we believe that updating your home doesn't have to take a ton of time or money.
Yeah, let's do it.
Give us one weekend, we'll give you 5 projects.
This is crazy.
And you'll have a completely transformed space by Monday.
Oh my God!
Wow.
This is The Weekender. This weekend, I'm working with Lowe's on a bathroom makeover. Khara is a first-time homeowner and needs help with the only bathroom that's in her house. The good thing is that the bones of the space are in good condition. We just really need to amp up the style. We have some really homeowner-friendly projects and some awesome products from Lowe's that are gonna completely transform this space this weekend.
This is the space.
All right. I mean, you weren't kidding. This is a big bathroom.
Definitely. So it's my first home. I bought the house for my birthday. It was my birthday present.
That is so fun. And this is the only bathroom, right?
This is the only bathroom.
That's why it's so big. It's
Yeah.
like 2 in 1.
Yeah, pretty much. Hi, my name is Khara, and I'm excited for Lowe's and Monica to help me out with my bathroom. The house has everything that I want, except for the bathroom. The rest of the house, I'm decorating, I'm making it feel more me, and the bathroom is just over there on the side. It's useful for what it needs to be.
Talk to me about what you want for this space.
The space is pretty boring. Everything is brown.
Everything is brown. Look,
Everything.
the ceiling, the walls, and the trim
trim.
are all the same color. How do you feel about this shade of brown?
I don't like it.
Okay, cool. I don't either.
It's
Just wanted to make sure we both agreed.
The floor is just this yellow, brown, it's been here for too long kind of color. This is where I keep everything. So I have everything in here. I have all my towels, all my hair, all of my makeup stuff.
I mean, it's so nice to have like a big storage closet in a bathroom, but it totally stinks that like your hair and makeup stuff aren't where you get ready in the morning. That vanity is just not practical. Like almost looks like someone did it to be funny, right? Like let's just put the tiniest vanity in this big bathroom.
So the vanity is teeny, teeny, tiny.
I mean, you have maybe an inch on either side.
I can't do my makeup, I can't do my hair. I just put everything inside the sink in order for me to get ready.
Talk to me style-wise, what you're looking for.
I really want it to stand out. I want people to come to my house and when they leave, they'll say, oh, but the bathroom, did you see the bathroom?
I love that. That's fun.
And I really want a tropical vibe. I'm from Puerto Rico, so I live near the rainforest in Rio Grande.
That's awesome.
So I really want to kind of bring home back to my new home. And then I really like mid-century modern kind of thing that was going on in the 50s, 60s in Puerto Rico.
I like that. I like both of those, and I think we can deliver there. So I think the first thing we should do is we'll unload the closet, we'll unload whatever's in the vanity, and then we'll have a blank slate that we can start working on our first project.
Okay, sounds great.
All right, let's grab boxes. Style-wise, I'm describing what Khara's looking for as kind of tropical meets mid-century modern. It's gonna be lighter, brighter, we're gonna have a lot of fun with patterns and bring in some good mid-century pieces too. All right, first project is gonna deal with the walls. We are going to both paint and wallpaper.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Cool. Sounds good.
Wallpaper is one of my favorite ways to bring in some pattern and real fun energy, and you want this to be a statement bathroom, right?
Yeah.
So we need to do a wallpaper that your friends are gonna remember.
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you the paint color first.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
2, 1. Wall color.
Okay.
This is a warm white, so it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna look good with what we already have going on with the tub and the shower. It's gonna brighten this place up, and it's gonna balance out the very not neutral wallpaper I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes for me. All right, take a look.
Oh. We have parrots and pumas. I'm excited about it, especially with the white and then this. This will pop, and that is gonna be really cool.
Yeah, you wanted a statement.
Yeah, no, this is it.
You and I are gonna focus on painting. I'm gonna have Matt do wallpapering. Ready to see the brown go away?
Yes.
This is a pretty strong pattern. We're not doing it everywhere. So as we're going, we can decide how much is too much, how much is just right, and kind of nail that. This is peel and stick, so it's gonna be super simple. All right, nice job, Vanity. It's looking great. All right, we are gonna jump into the next project, which you might guess based on where I have materials, what we're working on.
Flooring?
Flooring.
Okay.
Yes. I know that you have a dog, and so durability matters, and that's one thing that I loved about this linoleum.
Okay.
So with my new choice, it also has great durability.
Okay,
All right.
awesome. Oh, I like it.
Nice?
Yes.
So what we have is 2 different colors of luxury vinyl, and it's peel and stick. It's not gonna get scratched up by dog paws or anything like that, and it's super homeowner friendly to install. We're not just gonna use it as is, we're gonna have a little fun with it and create a pattern. We're gonna do gray and white stripes. By putting a pattern onto the ground, it's gonna actually make it just visually more full. What makes this so homeowner friendly is that we just need a utility knife and a pencil. This bathroom has changed so much in just a couple hours.
Yes.
What I want to work on now is adding tile all the way from the vanity up to the ceiling.
Okay.
Okay, just in that area, and it's kind of visually going to create like almost like an art moment for us right there. Want to see the tile?
Yes, I do. I'm excited for it.
All right.
Oh, that looks really nice.
I got the inspiration for penny tile when I was in Lowe's. And then they also have a QR code so you can scan it. And then on Lowe's.com, I came across this really pretty, it's like a soft, almost buttery yellow.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not like crazy bold. I just think it's gonna be really pretty. Perfecto.
There you go.
I mean, we're already halfway there and it's not gonna take too much more time. I'm just gonna pre-warn you that I decided you have seen a lot of this bathroom already.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, Matt and I are gonna take it from here.
Okay.
All right, it's the morning of day 2 and we made amazing progress yesterday, but we still have a lot to do today. Matt and I just got this vanity into place and we're gonna start working on the install, getting all of our plumbing and everything hooked up. I found this Scott Living vanity on Lowe's.com and absolutely love the style of it. The lines of it really lead towards that mid-century modern vibe that Khara wanted to bring just a bit of into the bathroom. What's super cool about this vanity and a bunch of other vanities at Lowe's is that they're part of designer collections. And basically what that means is that the design team at Lowe's pulls together a look for you. It's like having a Monica come to your house and help pick out everything for the faucet. We're going with the Kohler here, and it's gonna be gold. I knew that because it was part of the collection, it would have the right mount. Then I have 2 of these awesome sconces that are gonna go right here. And again, the finishes tie together perfectly. And then the last piece that will kind of pull this whole look together is the mirror as part of the collection. And again, it's all about the finish, working, tying in, and also knowing that the scale is gonna work. The final project in this bathroom makeover is all about organization. If you remember where we started yesterday, this closet had a lot going on inside of it. It was the only storage place in this entire bathroom. And even though now Khara's gonna have a much bigger vanity, I still knew that adding some Lowe's organizational bins and products was really gonna help organize this. So what we've done so far is when we painted the room, we also painted the closet. We just gave it a fresh coat of white paint. And then we used the leftover wallpaper that we had, the scraps, and lined each of the shelves. What I did is put my lowest shelf high enough that I can fit a really good size laundry basket right here. And then I'm gonna layer in a variety of different containers. This is one that they have at Lowe's that I love. I mean, you can use this in a million different ways. It would look great in a bedroom. It would look great in a living room with blankets in it, but it's also great storage, and I'm gonna be using it for a ton of toilet paper storage. Next, we're gonna do our bath towels. This is totally a preference, but I love having rolled towels too. So these Origin 21 bins, they're flexible bins. These will work really well on the top shelf. I really like having hidden storage, bins that actually hide things, still look neat and tidy, but where you can just be a real person and kind of toss your stuff in, are super helpful. I saw these at Lowe's and they're great if you are short on space. So they're stackable trays, and basically what this does is it doubles your surface area. So by putting this here, I can put things on the top and I can put things below. Cotton balls, Q-tips, all that kind of stuff looks so much cuter in a clear little container. Using small clear bins like this one is really great for items that might have a tendency to topple over. If you're short on space, stacking again is kind of the name of the game. It's organized, it looks great, it's totally functional. We're gonna put the doors back on. We have a couple more things to pull together in this bathroom, and then it'll be time for the big reveal. This bathroom has transformed so much in the last 48 hours, and I am so excited for you to see it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. This is not the same bathroom. This is amazing. Oh my God, and the vanity. It looks so good.
We upgraded you, girl. You went from 1 inch of space on either side to a 36-inch vanity now.
Oh, it's such a beautiful tone of green. I really love the texture that's on it.
I feel like it looks like it came from a high-end furniture store.
Yeah.
I got it on Lowe's.com. It was part of a vanity collection, so when I found the vanity, it recommended the faucet, the lights, and the mirror. So I was like, click, add to cart.
Oh, that's easy.
It was super easy. And I might have organized your closet too.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
I know this isn't just your bathroom, it's guests too.
Yeah.
And we want to make sure that if they're in here on their own and they go looking for extra toilet paper or something, that they're seeing everything nicely and organized.
That's amazing. The flooring was one of the easiest things, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to be as easy, but it's just peel and stick, kind of like the wallpaper too. Just peel and stick and go from there.
I mean, you wanted a space where when people left your house, they were like, have you seen the bathroom yet? Do you think we've kind of we've done it? They're gonna be liking it.
Yeah, now I feel like I want to be in this bathroom.
You said you wanted to bring little hints and nods to Puerto Rico home, to your new home, and hopefully you feel like with the infusion of kind of the tropical elements and then some of the colors that we chose, and then of course we put some photography up for you too. So hopefully we were able to do that, and this does feel like home.
Everything stayed the same, structurally, but just adding a couple design elements, it just changed everything. Better than what I was expecting. I'm very excited and I can't wait to show it off. Good. Thank you so much for doing this with me. It was just an incredible experience.
Guys, that was such a crazy weekender transformation. I loved it. I would love to know what you think of it, so drop me a comment. As always, we'll put all of the product links in the description below for you. And you know the drill, before you go, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss a single thing on the Lowe's YouTube channel. Thanks, friends.